Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Fandango gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser and type in www.fandango.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official webpage of Fandango. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and select a show time. Once you select a show time for yourself, pick the date for your show time from the options displayed, and now scroll down and choose the theaters nearby your location from the options displayed. Once you're done, enter the number of tickets you would like to purchase and click the next button. Choose your seat, click next at the bottom, and right under payment, select use gift card or promo code option. Click on Fandango gift card button and enter the number of your gift card into the text box. Your gift card number or your claim code will be available at the back of your gift card. Enter your PIN code on the next field as well. And finally click on the apply button in order to redeem your gift card for Fandango.com. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.